Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sebastian with McLean's Longhorn here in Sanger, Texas, and I'll be going over your propane system. All right. Keep in mind that the travel trailer and the fifth wheel have the same similar systems. Just on a fifth wheel, you're going to have propane tanks on each side of the driver and the passenger side. All right. You are provided here with two 20-pound propane bottles, all right, with an auto changeover regulator. All right, the purpose of this auto changeover regulator is to supply a continuous flow of propane without missing a beat. All right. Located on top, you'll have your supply direction knob. All right. By this facing the left side, it is deeming that this is the propane, primary propane bottle. All right. So the moment we turn this on, you'll see the glass sight turn green, letting us know that we have open flow to the unit. All right. With both bottles on, once the primary tank reaches 0 or 20% empty, all right, this system will internally change over and start drawing from your alternate tank or your secondary tank. Your goal then is to manually flip this around, whereas this once has been red, it'll flip green again, letting you know this is now your primary tank. You can then turn this initial primary tank off, disconnect it from your pigtail, and then fill it as necessary. All right, as mentioned during our travel trailer class, all right, on the fifth wheel, you're going to find your 30-pound propane tank here on the passenger side, as well as the second tank on your driver's side, located right here. On the driver's side, you're also going to find the auto changeover regulator that's going to have the same purpose use as the travel trailers. So now we're up on a drivable or motorhome, as you'd call it. Located underneath the unit, you're going to have your ASME tank. This is also your propane housing, all right, with the main cutoff or main LP valve, where you can turn it on and off. All right, and then once you have it on, you can come inside and find the onboard LP valve selector on and off switch, where you can constantly maintain propane flow from the inside without having to constantly go outside. All right, again, my name is Sebastian with McLean's Longhorn here in Sanger, Texas. This concludes our quick overview of the propane system on your towable trailers and your motorhomes. All right, remember, propane's nothing to play with, so always use safe practices and be responsible. Thank you.